Yo, what's up? What's up? This is going to be my second episode in my web design series, and now we're going to be going over attributes. I kind of touched on attributes in my last video, but I'll really go over it in much more detail in this one. Now, basically, an attribute it just provides more information about a tag. Let me give you an example. Let's go back to our anchor tag. Remember how we had href? That stands for hypertext reference. This is an attribute. An attribute protocol is the attribute itself, which is href, an equal sign, and then the value, which will be in double quotes. And for this particular attribute, you put in a website, so that whatever will become in between here, in between these tags, i.e. this text right here, this will link whenever you click on it to youtube.com. So let's go ahead and run it and see an example. And as you can see, this is our random jumbled up text, and when I click on it, should take me to youtube.com. Yep, here we go. Alright, let's go back to our editor. Attributes will follow the protocol attribute equal sign and then double quotes with the value of the attribute in the double quotes. It'll always have that protocol, and they will always be in the opening tag. It will never be in the closing tag. Alright, let's learn some more attributes. Let's go up to our HTML tag. Let's type in lang for language, and then type in EN-US, which stands for English United States. And all it basically does just describes that our HTML document is going to be in English. Yeah, not very exciting. Let's go on to learn another one. We can create a paragraph down here with just some random text, just like HTML is fun. Close it, and let's go over to the opening tag, and let's give it the title attribute, and let's put some text in here like HTML is not fun. And all the title attribute does, it creates a tooltip text with whatever you put in as a value here. So let's go ahead and run it. Here is our text. HTML is fun, and when we hover over it, HTML is not fun. And we can learn a couple more attributes. Let's go back to our editor, and let's just create an H1, a heading 1. I'm just gonna put my name. And by the way, tags can have more than one attribute at a time. They can have 6, 7, and more even. Just don't think a tag is limited to one attribute, because they're not. And for this H1 tag, we're going to use the style attribute, which is very versatile. Style attribute can have many values, and it basically, I'm pretty sure you can tell by the name, it's basically used for styling. For example, we can do background orange, and let's go ahead and save that and run it. Background orange. Let's go ahead, let's do color white, and font family Verdana. Go and run it, and there we go. It's a very versatile attribute, which you'll probably be using a lot as a web designer. And I think that's gonna go ahead and sum up my second episode of attributes. You can find a whole list of HTML tags and attributes to kind of play along with. on, I recommend w3schools.com. You could find a whole list and, just kind of, toy around with them and see what you can like create. And well, that sums this episode up. See you later.
That's it, Brian? Yes.